Hello, all.
Hello all.
Hope I am audible to everyone. Uh, let's begin our session with a small prayer. Let's sit back and chant Om three times. Om, Om, Om. So I hope last week about the change of the sun trend, and the sun trend actually changed past Sunday, and it's basically Sun in Mars star with Jupiter and the in the Mars star, and Mars is in Ketu star, and which is connected to. So basically, for our sun trend, we have predicted that the first half will basically a little bit of a retrace, and so this is mainly for the sun trend, and the main uh, changing star from Mars star to Rahu star, and so this staying for some 2 months, and basically this will be most of this entire movement, and most of the sun and predicted, and based on this sun and moon trends will be uh, volumes will be fixed. So actually the thing is the coming Saturday the Jupiter Ragu star, and Ragu is in the Jupiter star. So basically, the first half, the 14th of July to the 30th, the 14th of June to the 13th of July, the market is going to be a bearish market, and after that, till 12th of August, we are expecting a good move. So basically, it will be like for the next month, whenever we are getting down for the sun trend, that entire down movement will be pretty much have a big fall. And whenever this sun trend is having a, upward movement, it won't be very much of a it won't be a trending market. So that's why I basically said for the second half of our March star, but still it won't be like a bullish trend or something. It will be somewhat like a little bit of a retracement. So this is basically for this next 2 months. The stocks related to Ragu and Jupiter are going to have impacts. So basically, let's open. Yeah. So basically, it's like Ragu is in uh, this wind Rasi, and Jupiter is also in the wind Rasi. So basically, we can pretty much expect a movement in the scripts that are related to these stocks. So basically, it will be like since Jupiter is kind of getting related along with the conjunction of Mercury. we can basically say that we can expect a very good bullish run in that private banking sectors. And yeah, so this will be the condition for the next 2 months, and these are the trends. These trends will mostly be acting alone, despite the market for the sun trend will be going up or down unless these planets are directly related to the X or Y of the sun. So this is basically what we need to discuss for the sun trends and the Jupiter trend. And basically it's for the intraday we have predicted that today is kind of a moderate flat market. So basically it's for the last 3 days it's pretty much the market is moving only in the sideways. uh, so which is almost similar to what we have predicted. For the Monday, we have said that the market will move up, and it opened with a huge gap up. And after that, it kind of went consolidated and had a little down movement. And yesterday, also pretty much similar. The market kind of closed at this previous day close. So basically, it's literally a very flat market, and a somewhat similar kind. Uh, Maybe this kind of flat markets are happening. Maybe we can expect either tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So basically, tomorrow also we have this both. Uh, Tomorrow also we have a prediction for both the directions, and pretty much the same for the Friday. So basically, tomorrow we can uh, hope that the market will kind of have a pretty much down. So because it's first half of our the sun trend, and basically since the sun trend is kind of down, and so it's since it is both down and up for tomorrow, I'm kind of expecting the market will be bearish a little bit more for tomorrow, and after that it will kind of get uh, consolidated or flat in the afternoon. So because generally for this expiry day, we cannot expect uh, a huge movement. Only some spikes will be there, but it won't be very much of a solid movement or something. The solid movements will happen only in a rare occasion. Uh, but tomorrow, I am very much inclined to the downside of the market, given the how the market moved for the last couple of days. So this is basically for the uh, intraday trend for this week, and next week we have the market will be moved to the second half of the sun trend, and the Jupiter will be also changed. There is a possibility that the Monday market will kind of open with a gap down, although it's not a solid structure or something. It's just an assumption that it will be since the moon trend, the sun trend, and the Jupiter trend pretty much is signifying the down. It's generally uh, first it will have a gap down, and after that, and then it will continue to go down. So this will be the case the next week. And Wednesday also, uh, it's not significant up or something the Monday, the end, and for Tuesday morning is angle up, which is pretty much what I said for tomorrow afternoon, and Tuesday afternoon also down, and so it will be more most of the most of the time the market will kind of in a bearish area. So this is basically for the intraday Sun trend and the moon trends. Mm, if we can see, we can kind of expect the market to go somewhat. Yeah, this there will be a little bit of a bounce back when the market is touching this trend line, and when it is having a break of this trend line, the market will kind of go down, and I'm expecting it to go down for at least uh, to some 500 or 600 points for this area, like for in the recent time, not in the coming expiry or something. So this is basically for the case, and we will have a look at the commodity market. So basically, we have gold, and let's see, we have anything. The reason we are considering gold is that for the sun trend, sun is in the Mars star, and basically Jupiter. Jupiter is also in the Mars star, so we can say that for this sun trend, we can trade in the gold, like for a swing trade or something, not for the intraday. Uh, so basically, it's like we have to consider for the Jupiter. It's like we need to check for Mars to Jupiter. It's 11, and we have Mercury to 1. So basically, this for this sun trend, we have this Mars connected to Jupiter, as Jupiter has Jupiter is located in the Mars star, and it's like for this entire sun trend, the gold is kind of going to have an upward movement. So this is what actually happening from the start of the expect the entire movement to go a bit bullish for the next week. So this is how we need to check for the commodities. It's like Saturn in Saturn star, and Saturn is not uh, anywhere connected to the either sun or moon, so we can skip this. So basically, it will be like for the swing trade or this intraday, we can check not only the planets that are coming as directly as the X or Y, or we can simply take for all the possible conjunctions and the planets aspecting planets. So based on that also, all the commodities will reflect based on the uh, this specific trends. So this will be basically for the commodities, and we will have a look at the. So we have already looked at this the method of trading in the times. First, we will check profitable in the currency market today. So basically, let's see. Yeah, today is not a supportive day for me to trade in the forex market. So I'm going to skip this and move for the uh, crypto market. Yeah, hello Manishji. Today Mercury Daily rule is it working today or not? Yeah, let's check. Yeah, actually the rule is still valid, but still we are yet to see movement. It's kind of going in a. There is now much movement here. So actually the rule is valid. It's supposed to go. So let's see whether how the market moves in some time. So let's move for the crypto market. Yeah, it's showing today it will be profitable in the crypto market. So let's check the directions and the probability of trade we can take in the uh, crypto. So I will choose Ethereum. So basically, as for now, Ethereum is kind of going on in a bull run. So I will be taking the trade for the intraday. So basically, uh, I will kind of hold from 3 hours to the end of the day. So let's check for the entire trend for the day. So basically, I have Mercury coming as the sublord. So Mercury will be deciding the direction of the market. So it basically says 1, 6, 9, and 10 are signifying the uh, upward. What we have is for the entire day, this Ethereum will be still going in a bull run. So pretty much I can consider for 1:2 for the basic. 1:1.5 will seem good. So let's check whether this ratio of this particular trade will be profitable for me or not. Yeah, actually, it's like it will go, but there is a possibility that the stop loss will kind of get executed. So basically, I will just will go for 1:1, not for a little bit of a 1:1.5 or something. Uh, Look for it. So this I kind of showed you how to enter the market very blankly. But personally, I would suggest have some of these technical views, and based on that, it would be better to enter the market and use this as a confirmation tool. So basically, in the classes, Swami would have told us that this is also one of that we are using. So basically, it's like almost all the technical indicators we use in the charts. Those things will be calculated. The those things will be predicting the market based on the previous movement of the candle. So it is not a certain way, but still that is how most of the sorry that is how most of the almost all the indicators are working. So everything is kind of a lagging indicator, and in astrology we will be predicting with the movement of the planets. So that is kind of pretty much uh, can be said as a leading indicator, but still in the final end it is still also an indicator. So basically you cannot uh, uh, for instance, you cannot rely 100% on the indicator. It's not like it won't be working the 100% of the time. So, for instance, the general thumb rule is whenever the market is approaching towards 200 EMA, it is supposed to have a bounce back, or whenever there is a breakage in the whatever break happening in the support resistance or trend line or EMS or something, it is supposed to bounce back, and after the retrace, we are supposed to take. Seen that as much more many times that some of the without the retrace, it will just uh, go on to proceed with the bull run. It is kind of pretty much similar to what we are having in the end. Even this is also an indicator only, not like we are doing some kind of magic, and we will say the market like we are not telling the market to go up there or something. It's still an indicator. So based on that only, we are supposed to take the trade along with our individual disciplines and our analysis. It's not like we can not consider this or something compared to what we have in the indicator, and we can combine mix and match, and along with our two like a combined analysis, we can come to a conclusion that the market might go this way, and based on that, we have to take our trades based on our individual provisions. So just to remind, because most personally that we are predicting the market to be going in this way, and there will be a question like why it is not going. So basically, it's like it's just an indicator. We are predicting it's going this way, and if it doesn't go, what can we do? Nothing. We cannot expect that if the market is touching the pivot, why it is not turning, and why it is still going down. You cannot ask hmm, the pivot or something, right? So this is pretty much the same. So in the end, so an indicator, and it is only a tool, and what we can get out of it is basically depends upon how you are using this tool. It's not like you are just you have to try this and mix and match and make some trial and error, and based on your individual comfortness only, you can use the tool properly. So this is just I wanted to share. So I think this is basically for today's session. And if you have any of the doubts, please feel free to ask. Let's wait for a couple of minutes, and after that, we will conclude this session. And if you have any other questions, you can just post it in the comments, or contact us separately, like privately, and we will try to support you all. Thank you. Okay, so I hope it's time to conclude our session. Let's finish our session with three Om. 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 Thank you all.